Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am here to bring you guys a classic what's in my bag video. I don't actually film a lot of these videos, but I do film them probably like once a year. So I thought that's what we would talk about today. So if that is of interest to you, then please keep watching. So the bag that I'm currently using is this Marc Jacobs tote bag. This is in the Jacquard style, and it's also the medium. I wouldn't consider myself to be late to getting this tote bag, but it is a very popular bag that people have been carrying and making really popular for years. But I was kind of slow to, to it, but it's fine. I'm just saying that I do love this bag and I'm happy that I purchased it. I guess I purchased it a couple of months ago now. This is the medium. The small, no, there's a medium in this size and a large. The large doesn't have a strap, and so that's a no-go for me. I need a strap because I want this to be like an everyday carry, not really. I know some people use the larger ones for work totes and carry-ons for the plane and stuff like that. I wanted this to be an everyday bag because I want most of my bags to be everyday bags that I don't really just pull out for any particular reason or for special occasions and stuff like that. So that's what we have here. I do have to say that I did add this chain from Amazon. I will have it linked down below, and then this fuzzy thing is linked down below as well. I'm not a person who can just kind of leave things as they are. I have to kind of zhuzh up everything, but yeah, I absolutely love this bag. It is not treated. And here's the bottom of it, which I sit it on the floor. I'm not a person, I'm not really a materialistic person. I know I'm coming at you with a Marc Jacobs tote bag that I spent a little less than $300 on. That's only because my Lil Wayne concert was canceled, and so I took the money and bought myself a bag and some accessories and such. So I know I'm coming at you with the Marc Jacobs bag, but I'm not really a materialistic person. So I just really don't go out my way to take immaculate care of things, of items. I don't know, it's just a thing. I need to get better. It's a lifelong goal, but I just wanted to show you that because yes, I sit this on the floor daily, and yes, I just sit it anywhere daily. I don't really do anything special with it. I did not Scotch guard it or spray anything on it, and if you ask me, it looks pretty good for 2 months of use. It might be a little shy than, it might be a little less than 2 months, but I feel like I bought this in April. I don't feel like I got this last month in May. But let's talk about what's in. Is this lighting gonna do the trick for me? I think it is. I'll just edit it a little bit in post. It looks a little bright. But let's talk about what's in the bag, which actually, when I was looking at it, I'm like, it's really not that much. So I do have an insert, which I'll show you when we get to the end of it. But if you just take a quick glance inside of it, that is what we have inside. So let's start with the first thing that I see. So I have this tripod, and I got this from Amazon. I will have it linked below, but it's a phone tripod, and it actually adjusts to, I don't know, I'd say like a good 2 feet perhaps. Yeah, 2 feet. And then, like I mentioned, it's a tripod, so it does spread out like such. And then you can also get some more inches after you do that. It used to have like a button here, and it comes with a remote. It's pretty fancy. Like you can set it to, I think it's Bluetooth, and you can set it to take photos for you, but I don't really take any still photos with my phone really that I need a tripod for. So it broke, and I'm not mad at it. I never use the other feature anyway. Next up, we have my handy dandy iPad. This is my iPad mini in Starlight, and I love it. So on here, without going fully into what's on my iPad, I have my digital planner, I have my budget planner, I have my apps for reading. So I read my books on here. Currently I'm reading The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. So I just tap that, and then my Kindle book pops up. So we have that. My Bible is on here. I have other apps on here as well. So basically all the notebooky type things that some people might carry, I don't, because I have them all on my iPad mini. So similarly, I have my iPad pencil here. It looks a little funny. That's because I have it in this case. So you really just twist that off and then push this, and then the pencil comes out like such. So it is a regular Apple Pencil 2nd generation. It just is in this cool little case that's clickable. By the way, my iPad is the latest iPad, which is the latest iPad mini, which is the Mini 6. And this is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil with this Mocho cover. Next up, I have this lotion dispenser, which is a little bougie, but if you take the top off and you just press this button here, lotion will come out. I'll do it because my hands feel a little dry. See, lotion comes out, and then I just swipe it and then put the lid on. And so whenever it gets low, I just put more lotion in it. So it's like a reusable lotion container. Next up, we have my cell phone, which actually matches my bag kind of well. I don't know that I was going for that, but here is my cell phone. I think this is a 13 Pro Max. I don't know. Next up, we have my Kate Spade wallet. This is actually my wallet. So, but it's kind of like a grab and go wallet. So if I ever just wanted to carry this instead of my purse, I could easily do that because it has cash in here. We have cash, $6. We have hand sanitizer. I have like a pen, lotion, like a little lotion container. I have all of the cards that I need for the regular. And then in this pocket, I have like medical cards and stuff like that. So more cards. So it's just a wristlet and I can just grab it and be on my way if I don't want to carry the big bag. That's the purpose that it serves. Also have my glasses case. I recently became a glasses girly because the doctor said I could use glasses to see better sometimes. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. I try to wear these when reading and stuff, but I'll be honest, I can see, and so I'm not a fan of these glasses. But I do love the case, and it actually matches kind of as well. I don't know that that was intentional. It's just I'm in a beige era right now. Speaking of beige, also have this pill case. You can actually put anything you want in it, but I have, so far, Tic Tacs here and Tylenol here. And this came in handy yesterday because my husband needed Tylenol, and I have my purse with me at all times on my person. So instead of getting up, I could just hand him some Tylenol. So the goal is to put like eventually some other pills in here. I'm not going to go out my way to buy pills that I otherwise wouldn't buy, but maybe if I buy Pepto-Bismol one day or something like that, some kind of vitamin or something, I'll just put it in here. This will definitely come in handy for traveling, but otherwise, yeah, I'm not going out my way to fill up this case just yet anyway. Okay, so next up we have my lip gloss. This is the same tube I've been using for like 10 years. It is the Cherimoya Max lip gloss from, I got it from a beauty supply store. It's in clear. I have it on now. When I wear it, people think I have on some kind of lipstick or something, but I don't. Also have this compact mirror here, which I need to look at now because I'm known to have boogers in my nose while I am filming. Tragic. I have to film over or edit it out or something. I have a hair tie, which is a necessity at all times. And then I have some hand sanitizer. I'm not gonna spray too many, but you just spray it, and it's a liquid hand sanitizer. The container I got from Shein or something, but the liquid hand sanitizer, I just have a bunch of liquid hand sanitizers basically. I guess all sanitizers are liquid, but like the watery kind. I have, like when I was at school, they gave us, I work for the school system, the public school system, they gave us some supplies, and one of them was like a bottle of the liquidy type of hand sanitizer. So basically I just refill it. Also have some perfume. This is Everlasting. I am a Scentbird user, so each month I get a new vial of a perfume of my choosing, and this one's almost gone, but I just carry this one on my person in case I forget to put on some spray. And then I just have some random things in here that, you know, like you just have like little random stuff, and that's what this is. Some receipts, and I think my business credit card is here. So just some random bits, and my glasses. I don't even know what this stuff is called. My glasses. What do you call this little thing that you use to clean your glasses? The little piece of cloth, and then the spray. I've never used either one of these, but it came with it, so I figured I should have it. And then that's it, I think. No, oh nope, that's not it. I was gonna say, what is this? No, I have my, I need to put this on now. I have my work badge. It's a whole badge. My work badge. I have this microphone. I think it's called it's either a lapel or a lapel microphone. And I have this little piece on it so I can put it into, from a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack to the lightning cable. I think that's what we're on right now. It's different because my iPads have the upgraded ports, but my iPhone still has this, which I think is the lightning port, because sometimes I'll do like a little voiceover or something, I'll need to use it for content. So I just carry this in the event that I need to use it. And then I have one of my 3 iPad chargers. I have 3 chargers because I have one that came with each iPad, and then one I bought, which is like a long cord. So I use that. I carry that at work because I use my iPad as a computer because I don't have a laptop personally. I have a work laptop, but I have to turn that in. Actually, I'm turning that in a few days. So I have to turn that in at the end of each summer. So it behooves me to have a personal laptop, which I use an iPad Pro for, with a Magic Keyboard, and that does the trick. And that, I think, is all. Yes, there are some pockets in here. 2 pockets in the actual bag back here, but I don't use either of those. Mainly because when I put in my insert, which I got from Amazon, I'll have it linked down below. It has a zipper pocket, and then it has a bunch of, I guess, 6 pockets on the outside. I wonder where my keys are. I do often have my keys in here too, but I think they mainly hang up, I guess. Or did my husband? My husband might have them. But I normally have my keys in here as well, and I will hook them to either this ring or this ring if I feel the need to do so. Or this ring. I'll hook them somewhere if I feel the need to do so. But this is the insert, and I just sit this in here, and when I put it in here, it kind of messes with the pockets situation back here. That's why I don't really use them. I can't really easily access those pockets anymore after I put my items in here. So that's pretty much why I don't really use those pockets. But that is everything that is in my bag. Again, this is my everyday carry. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I know I sound like every other person who gets the Marc Jacobs tote bag, but I just want to say this was already my vibe anyway. So even if this wasn't as popular as it was, okay, I probably might not have purchased it if it wasn't very popular. But what I'm saying, if I could buy the bag for $15 from Amazon somewhere and it didn't have the Marc Jacobs, like if it wasn't a Marc Jacobs kind of bag, I would already buy something like this anyway, because this is my vibe. It just so happens that this one is Marc Jacobs, and so it comes with a higher price point, but I absolutely love this bag. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a like. If you are a Marc Jacobs tote bag user and you have some tips and tricks for me, like as far as organization and all of that, definitely leave any tips and tricks down below in the comment section. Again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe if you're new and if you're liking what you're seeing, and I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.